Hello guys, how are you guys doing? I'm doing great. This is a late night cooking. I'm trying to cook Cameroon delicacy called plantain DG. This is plantain. You have to slice the plantain and fry it. You can slice it smaller than this or bigger than this. I didn't want to waste a lot of time in the kitchen because I want to do it like really fast. And the chicken also has to be sliced like small. And of course I have my green peas here with me with corn. It is optional, you don't have to use this. And you also have to use green beans, but I didn't have green beans, so I decided to use green peas, which was already mixed with corn. And of course you need your onion. This is my carrot slice. You need tomatoes and also green pepper. This food is called Poulet DG. It's actually like fried plantain and chicken. Then you have to cook them together. Like everything you have to slice. You don't have to grind. You don't have to blend the tomatoes. You don't have to blend anything. Everything you have to slice it. But actually in this case I just blend my chili, my ginger and my garlic. These three things are blended together. This is what I got from the chicken when I cooked it. Actually when I was boiling the chicken, I added in some curry, thyme, white pepper, Maggi to taste and salt. So that was it. Boil the chicken, fry it, fry the plantain, prepare all my other things which I'm going to be using. So once the oil is hot, I'm just going to add in the onion. So once it's a bit full, then add in my pepper. This is my pepper. There's ginger and garlic. It really smells so good, guys. In Cameroon, you guys should be wondering why I use a lot of garlic and ginger. Basically, we use a lot of garlic and ginger in Cameroon when cooking, but not all the foods though. And garlic and ginger is very, very healthy to add in your food. So at this point now, adding my tomatoes. At this point, I'm going to add in a little bit of thyme. Already the chicken stock contains thyme, and I added in a little bit of white pepper to just give it that extra flavor. At this point, I'm going to add in my green peas and my corn. My sweet corn. Like I told you, the corn is not it's optional, and the green peas as well. Usually what we use is green pepper. Sorry, usually what we use is green beans rather. I'm going to add in my carrots. I'm going to add in my chicken. So I added in some chicken stock. Add in a little bit. Try to add more. At this point, I'm going to add in the plantain, the fried plantain. For my green pepper, I always add it last, like when because I don't want it to be cooked. I want it to be crunchy. So I always add that at the end of my cooking. I'm going to add in the plantain and just mix that together. That's a lot of plantains, guys. Alright, I'm going to stir it and we'll be back. So the plantain is, I mixed the plantain already with the chicken and all the things. Everything is well mixed, and added in a little bit of salt to taste. So at this point I'm going to put in my green pepper. Everything is already ready. When you put the plantain, you don't have to leave it for so long, and when you're mixing you have to be careful so the plantain doesn't break down to pieces. So whenever I put in my green pepper, I'm just going to let it rest. I let it simmer for just few seconds and I'll off the gas, because like I told you, I want it to look green and crunchy. So yeah, I'm going to show you the final. I'm going to show you the picture when I played it. So guys, hope you enjoy watching this video. This is a Cameroon dish. There's no harm in you trying it and tell me how it turned out. Guys, give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to drop a comment down below this video and tell me what you think about this video. And also, if you're watching this video for your first time, if this is your first time visiting my channel, or you have been visiting my channel and you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, do take 2 seconds of your time and hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. And as you do so, God bless you. I'll see you again in my next video. Do have a blessed day. Do have a great day. Bye.